his final speech and said his prayers, the prisoner would kneel down, placing his neck upon a block of oak. He would then give a word or signal. The executioner would get his axe and hopefully beheads his victim in one stroke. Executioner picks up the severed and still bleeding head. He holds it aloft for all to see. He turns to the assembled crowd and he proclaims, "Behold, the head of a traitor! So die, all traitors, God save the King!" Hooray!
So what's pretty cool behind me is where the final battle for Spider-Man Far From Home was filmed. And out there too is that one scene. That's pretty cool. Swinging right in front of it. So while we're kind of in this talk about Far From Home, I just shot a clip behind the Tower Bridge. And so it's pretty cool because there's this video I saw along back of behind the scenes of Far From Home, and it showed the cast sort of walking up those stairs or running while filming.
This way! This way! Okay!
So you know, it was pretty cool that we were in the same spot as where they filmed. So funny story, we were just sitting down to eat, and we're eating at the same restaurant we ate for at lunch, and we're doing it because it is pretty cheap and the food is really good. But I don't know, it's just kind of funny how we're eating at the same place two meals in a row. So see you guys after.